everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing 24 hours eating in East London. We've just arrived at Liverpool Street. We're going to head to Brick Lane because we're going to go to COOKDAILY. That's actually a spot that we used to go to quite a bit.
So he started off in Box Park and then he went to London Fields.
Yeah, it's back. So there's been like times where he hasn't been up and running, but now we've said for ages that we wanted to come and try out his food again. I hope it is everything we remember it to be. If it is, it's amazing. So we're going to be eating in Brick Lane, Shoreditch and maybe Spitalfields as well. So come along with us and spend the day with us. I got the kind of teriyaki bowl with noodles, and then what did you get, my love? The jerk bowl. First bites. Good.
Do a little swapsies. Rice and plantain.
Okay, oh my goodness. Honestly, I'm so full. I don't know if I can do 24 hours eating because I feel like I've eaten for the day. But the food was so freaking good. Like, it was even better than we remembered. I had to undo a few buttons.
Portions as well for the price.
Yeah,
I feel like nowadays it's like people charge you a lot and you get less.
Yeah.
But it's not the case now,
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know what we're going to do really because we've got the whole day to spend here.
Just wander.
Yeah, maybe we just wander for the market. No more than 5 minutes since I last vlogged and said that I'm stuffed and I could not eat another thing. DAPPA ice cream is completely vegan and I've just seen their truck. Okay, so we went for a walk and thought we'd come back and get our soft serve ice cream.
Yeah.
But as we came back, it's closed. So maybe it's a sign that we don't need it. But it's really upsetting because I was really looking forward to it.
The machine's broken.
Yeah.
That's why they're closed.
No ice cream, but we're going to hunt for something else. I still need a coffee though, so maybe let's do that.
Let's get a coffee.
Let's get a coffee. I did grab a coffee from somewhere else and I'm not really feeling it, so I'm gonna go and get a chai like Tash.
This is good. This is probably the best. Well, I've never had an iced chai before.
Coffee in your plan. Thank you, it's okay. Very good.
Try, guys.
We're gonna get some donuts. We're gonna put the donuts down for dessert. So we're gonna save these for later, but we're gonna pick them up now because I'm not too sure how long they're gonna stick around for. What one are you gonna get?
Try the cinnamon scroll.
Cinnamon scroll. I think I'm gonna get the same one I get all the time. Yeah, I just throw it away.
to come kick it with you. Won't you be my American boy? But don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still lost in America. I know where I came from.
Okay, it's much later on in the day, so now we're having dinner. So we chose to come to a place called Unity Diner. Officially the end of this vlog, and we've eaten so much today. Oh my goodness.
We need to do more
skipping. So really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and of course if you haven't done, subscribe to this channel.
See you next time.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.